Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I typically like to do fashion DIYs. And this video is inspired by this sweater denim hybrid I stumbled upon on Pinterest, and I am dying to make my own take on this. So if you'd like to see how it turns out, then keep watching. But before I get started, please be sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I love to do DIYs and upcycle things. I'm a big believer in sustainability and green approaches to fashion. So if you want to figure out how to make your own clothes and alter your own clothes, then please subscribe and follow along for my journey. And hopefully I can inspire you to do the same thing that I'm doing with clothes in your wardrobe. Okay, let's get started. So to make this project, I thrifted this pullover. It's from H&M, nothing exciting. And I also have this waistband from a pair of jeans that I have deconstructed, and I never know what to do with the waistband. So I'm so excited I found this project because I think it's such a cool way to interpret this into your clothing. So let's try to figure this out.
The first thing I'm going to do is remove the neckline of the sweater. Once the collar is removed, I'm going to mark the center front and center back in chalk by folding the sweater at the side seams. Then I measured out the neckline to see how long I needed the waistband to be, and it measured out already to be the same length, so I didn't need to trim it. I also cut a 4-inch slit to the center front. This is for the fly part of the denim waistband. Now it's time to attach the two. This part was a little confusing to me, but just remember that right sides go together, and to double check it's laying the right way before pinning. I found it easiest to start from the center front where the zipper is and make my way around the back as I was pinning. At the back, I'm going to match up where the two ends meet and then sew them together, making sure that it is flush with the neckline of the shirt before I start sewing.
Okay, the time to sew has come. So my plan is to stitch in the ditch, kind of. I want to make sure I get right in this crease when sewing, so there's no extra fabric when I flip it right side out. So wish me luck. Okay, wow, that took forever. It was just really finicky, specifically around the corners here. One side turned out better than the other, but I've redone it like so many times, and the denim is starting to fray because I didn't serge it, so it is what it is, and we are just going to move on. It's not bad. It's not bad. I have to just tack down the button loops to the sweater. I'm going to be using a matching thread color, or like the closest option I have. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back.
And I also added a patch pocket from the same pair of denim jeans to the right side of the sweater.
So excuse the lighting, it is very dark out now, but I just did a fit test, and the original collar was really oversized. So I actually pinned it already, and you can see all this excess room in the back here that I just need to get rid of. So my solution for that is to honestly just put a dart. I'm just gonna kind of like flip it inside out and just sew to close it up. So I'm gonna take the back in and attach the pocket, and this should be done. Okay, as usual, that took me way longer than I had anticipated, but my sweater with denim accents is officially done, and here is how it turned out. It was definitely a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be, but I think it's really cool and unique and a one-of-a-kind piece that I look forward to styling in my wardrobe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know if you would recreate this Pinterest DIY as well. And don't forget to subscribe to stay informed for my latest fashion DIYs, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!